Little asteroids strike the Earth's atmosphere every single day. It's the big ones we worry about.
It's a race against time to save our planet from the looming threat of an asteroid impact. A new asteroid dubbed a planet killer has been discovered in the sky and is heading straight for Earth. If this asteroid hits us, it could destroy the entire planet and wipe out life as we know it. The sky is not the limit, it's a battleground. A new study has uncovered a deadly trio of asteroids lurking in the shadows of the sun, waiting to strike. Two of these space rocks are so massive that they have been dubbed planet killers, and one of them has the potential to cross Earth's orbit, bringing it dangerously close to our planet. Will we survive the impact, or will this asteroid spell the end for humanity as we know it? Hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on any updates. For a long time, the sun's glare has made it nearly impossible for scientists to observe the space between the orbits of Earth and Venus. But a team of astronomers has finally found a way to bypass this problem. By conducting surveys during 2 brief windows at night, they were able to catch a glimpse of the asteroids hiding in the darkness. It was a discovery worth waiting for, but also one that sent shivers down the spine. As astronomers peered into the glare of the sun, they uncovered a trio of asteroids lurking in the darkness. These space rocks, hidden behind the bright light of the sun, have been pushed into orbits that bring them into the Earth's neighborhood by the powerful force of gravity. These mysterious asteroids have been discovered orbiting in the shadows of the sun, and they could be the key to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. Designated 2021 LJ4, 2021 PH27, and 2022 AP7, these space rocks have been shrouded in mystery for centuries. The first of these asteroids, 2021 LJ4, is modest in size and orbits in a safe and completely interior to Earth's orbit path. But don't let its small size fool you. Due to the glare of the sun, only about 25 asteroids with this type of orbits have been found to date, making 2021 LJ4 a true cosmic rarity. The second asteroid, 2021 PH27, is much larger, with a diameter ranging from 0.9 to 1.7 kilometers. It's also located in a completely interior to Earth's orbit path, but it is the closest known asteroid to the Sun, making its outer layer so hot that it could melt lead. According to the researchers, there are likely several more asteroids of this size and type hidden in the region. The third and final member of this group is 2022 AP7, a massive space rock with the potential to deliver a devastating blow to our planet. Unlike the other 2 asteroids in this trio, 2022 AP7 is an Apollo asteroid, meaning its orbit path might one day intersect with Earth. With a diameter of just under a mile, this asteroid is larger than the other 2 in the group, and it's the largest potentially dangerous object found in the last 8 years. But size isn't everything. This asteroid is also a mystery, with its exact characteristics and orbit remaining unknown. But don't panic just yet. Planetary scientist Tracy Becker has reassured the New York Times that the probability of such an event happening in the near future is exceptionally low. However, that doesn't mean we should let our guard down. To keep an eye out for more asteroids, scientists are now using the Dark Energy Camera, a highly sensitive and high-performance tool that can capture large chunks of the sky with unprecedented depth and clarity. By using DECCAM to search the inner solar system, we can go deeper, cover more sky, and investigate these mysterious space rocks in ways that were never before possible. But even with DECCAM's advanced technology, it's a challenge to spot asteroids in the inner solar system. As the planet killer asteroid gets closer and closer to Earth, we can only wait and wonder what the future holds. Will it bring disaster or a new beginning? Let's see.